Hi, this is Tamanna. Whoever's watching Cinema Vikatan, please go vaccinate when you get the chance for it. And if you like this video, share and subscribe.
How are you, Tamanna? How's situation there?
In Mumbai, it is apparently getting better, but we're still far away from things becoming good and normal. Um, yeah, it's just very, very heart wrenching to constantly see so many people, you know, um, lose members of their family. And, we're hearing so much about it right now that to keep your own mental sanity is difficult. Um, but I guess none of us have an option. We all need to focus our energies towards being of help in whatever capacity we can be, and also staying as safe as we can for as long as we can, and of course most importantly getting vaccinated when we get the opportunity to get one.
Tamanna, it's almost 16 years from KD Vyabari time to this November story. How do you see your career, Tamanna, as of now? Because earlier, though you got roles like Kalluri, other than that, mostly you would have been in small frame in movies. They would have mostly those were commercial movies. How do you see the change in Hollywood and the complete industry?
When I started out in the Tamil film industry, that time consumption itself was very different. We didn't have web shows the way we have today. We didn't have social media's presence as strongly as it is today. So with the change of technology, we've seen a change in how informed our audiences are, how exposed they are to international content that's being created. So as time has elapsed, the kind of work that has been churned out in general in the industries has changed. So of course, to follow suit, I went with the flow of what at that point cinema was and how it was being churned out. I was extremely lucky to have a lot of commercial success at a very, very young age with a lot of films that came my way in the Tamil film industry and in the Telugu film industry. So that definitely made me, it gave me the power to make the choices I'm making today. Uh, Essentially, when an actor has commercial viability is when you come to a point where you can start telling stories which you actually yourself personally associate with, and you want to tell those stories out to people. So I guess the phase of career I'm in today, even like 2 years ago when I heard when I heard November Story, I knew that the script is something very new, and it's a very universally likable content in terms of the way it's being narrated and the kind of story it is. Um, I had a very young and vibrant team like Indra, Subramaniam, Vidu, and everybody who was on set were all in their early 30s, late 20s. So I feel like the whole young, energetic vibe really added to making November Story very relatable today. And it is over the weekend it has been the number one show on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP. So I'm so thankful to the audiences because they've really lapped up the show really well and they've really liked it, and it is very gratifying for me because I'm seeing that whatever I thought about the story was correct, and what people are liking about it is the same thing I liked about it. So somewhere I feel like a sync between me and my audiences. Like I can understand what they want out of me. So I feel more motivated to do more work, which is more relevant to today's times and to today's storytelling, and our generation today.
How were your preparations with the character Anuradha? Because for a movie duration, everything completely differs. Because all of a sudden you were into web series, both in Tamil and Telugu, and it
Yeah.
would have taken a huge amount of time from your end. How did you get used to it? Because as a script, you would have had more portions, and it was it was a long duration. How did you cope up with it?
So actually, when we film, it takes the same amount of time that a feature would take. Of course, it's like if you're doing a feature where you're the lead role, how much time that would take in a feature is exactly the time it took for me from the web show perspective. But yes, the preparation was different because unlike a movie, which is a 2.5 hour film, web shows have a longer duration. So there's a lot of what happened 3 episodes before, what's going to happen 3 episodes later. That prep has to constantly be at the back of your mind when you're performing. Um, and I feel like, I think I had a very efficient team that, constantly kept me in the know-how of what has already happened. What do I need to do next? But in terms of prep, it was purely instinctive, and I completely went with Indra Subramaniam's vision of what the story was and how he envisioned the character. So we tried to perform a certain couple of days in the first 2 days, and we even reshot some portions which we thought we were not happy with. Um, so yeah, I think it took those 2 days to figure out how we wanted to position Anuradha as a person and as a character.
Because I see too much of praising in social media for November Story. Especially, many are praising your character, the way you have acted in the complete series, and even I remember 2 to 3 scenes where you would speak with GM Kumar by confronting him with the photo of Pasupati. So
Yeah.
many scenes, even in frames, I could see that you have acted so well. To be honest, after Dharmadurai and the other one, Kandan, this movie, the one with
Kalluri, I think. Kalluri was another film where I think, in a large part of my career, people have seen me in a more cinematic, more glamorized version of any character. I think this time I got a chance to play something really raw, something more real. And I guess Kalluri and Dharmadurai and Kannai Kalemane had a more realistic presentation. So I think whenever you come out in that raw form, people always, there's a different connect to that. So yeah, so I get what you're saying, and I think that was our intention with the show, and I'm glad that's the effect it's having.
One of your huge commercial hit is Iron. How do you? What were your thoughts when with the demise of KV Anand?
Yeah, it's like I cannot tell you. I still can't understand that he's no more. I still haven't gotten over the fact that that's an actual thing, and yeah, it's just it's something that I don't think I have been able to completely digest yet.
Coming back to November Story, all the 7 episodes, in which place did you feel that we could have had some more interesting features, or this portion was the best? Which was your pick of the show? Which was your most favorite scene?
The scene in which all the policemen are actually standing in in the police station and discussing amongst themselves what are the probabilities of what this case could, who was the potential, the convict. I feel like that was for me the most interesting scene in the entire show. Of course, it doesn't have me, but yet I still think it stands to be a very, very interesting scene because it gives the audiences like a recap of their own ideas of what could probably be the permutation combinations. So I think it's an extremely intelligently written scene, and I think it's nothing. I haven't seen a scene like that in any of the web shows where I see so many people and just their interaction is so candid. It didn't seem like there are actors who are standing and talking. It just came across as such a candid exchange of ideas, and I felt it was very believable. And it also kind of reflects how in it's a very difficult job to be a police in the country where when there is a crime that happens, how do they look into an investigation? It's a kind of a little bit of a realistic peek into it, and I felt that was it was very nice and very fresh.
Any memories from your end, Tamana? Like, I'm not asking too serious. Like hiding a crime. In the series, you would just throw a paint on the dead body. I'm not asking that too serious. Which was the crime that you hid in your home in school days or during kid? Any memories?
Yeah, I do actually. So me and my brother, we were about, I must have been like 6, 7 years old, I think, and my brother was about 8. And ghar pe they used to that pal packet one bola.
Yes. Yes.
So every morning that pal packet used to come, and me and my brother one fine morning we were awake, and I think our parents were asleep, and No, or they were not asleep. Sorry, they had gone out somewhere, and that pal packet came, and we both got it, and we were like, okay, let's play catch catch, and we decided that we will play catch catch across the bed, and we've been playing catch catch across the bed. At some point, that pal packet has burst and gone into the bed, and the whole bed is stinking.
Then
So now we are trying to figure out how to dry the mattress before our parents come, and they should not find out that we've put this on the bed. And the bed started, because back in the day, the foam used to be stuck to the bed when we were very very young. Not like now you have the mattress is something you can throw, but that time the mattress used to be attached to the bed. So, oh God, and that entire, like, we tried to find ways. We got our maid also. We were like, okay, now tell us, help us how to wash this. So we tried to wash that. We've done some 100 things, but the smell would just not go because it was a lot of milk. So of course, by the end of the second or the third day, our parents found, they're like, what is this stench in the room? And then they figured that we were playing and we dropped that part. We had to throw the bed eventually. So yeah, this was like a crime, literally a crime story.
the biggest crime by Tamana Bashia.
Yes, we worked very hard to conceal it and it did not work out.
Coming to acting, which was your favorite cup of tea? Because we seen Bahubali and in Saira Narasimha Reddy, you would have done some action stuff.
Yeah.
Most movies you would have been a romantic doll, and obviously when it comes to web series, you are having a huge role, dramatized role. Which was your favorite or easiest to do?
Nothing is easy, yeah. Like, people think that just doing a dance a song is easy, or being glamorous is easy. None of that is easy, because that's a lot of work. Even to look even if you have to look glamorous, it's literally has a team put, like, there's a hair, makeup, costume, there's so much that goes on into looking a certain way. So I feel like sometimes that's look I feel bad sometimes when people don't give that equal amount of credit, because it takes a lot of work, and it is artistic. It's not something that is just randomly put together. You just don't put a person in a costume and say and go do a dance number. There's a lot of thought that goes behind it. So I feel like that is as difficult as playing a character, doing an emotional scene, or crying in front of the camera, or playing any other scene. So I feel like there is a beauty in doing everything, and I personally enjoy the variety part of it. For me, it's not like I have to choose between this and that. That's never been the thing for me. My idea is to create a sense of variety so I can enjoy. So if I do a Saira where I take 3.5 hours to get ready, I enjoy that. And then when I come to a set like November Story where it takes me 20 minutes to get ready, I enjoy that more now, because I spent 3.5 hours once to get ready. So I understand what the fun is when you have to get ready for 20 minutes. So the difference is what makes each interesting,
And I guess November Story is the one where you had no makeups, anything, nothing, just coming from the room to set. That's it, right?
I had some makeup on my face, but it was very little compared to any of the work I've done.
Okay, because after Kalluri, we are seeing this exact Tamanna, how she would be and all those stuffs.
Kalluri, of course, I wasn't wearing any makeup, but I was also 17, so I guess I could get away then.
As a performer, how do you see your career, Tamanna? By performances, which was your most favorite thing? I'm asking like that. Which was your most favorite top three? Or
I definitely think, be it like the films, the names we've taken. I definitely think Paiya was something I didn't mention. Paiya was a film that I really enjoyed doing, and I felt like that was some of my good work. Kalluri, of course, Bahubali, of course, Dharmadurai, and now I'm really enjoying, doing a show like November Story, and I intend on doing a lot more web. I will be doing a lot more web, and I feel like looking at the way we are going, we don't even know for how long theaters will not be as active as they used to be.
Yes.
So I think even in terms of consumption, it's only natural that our content will show a lot more on web in comparison to what we used to do. So it's I think exploring the web space is exciting for me right now.
Any dream role on biopics, Tamanna? Dream biopic characters? Because we have seen a lot of biopics these days, from
Yeah.
Boy to Savitri.
I think Sridevi ma'am is someone, whose biopic I always thought that I would if it was made, I would love to be a part of it.
You have acted with almost all top stars in Kollywood, be it Vijay, Ajit, Surya, almost everyone. Which was easier for you? Which was too convenient while acting for you? Which was so good?
I think all of them, yeah. Like I feel like working with be it Surya sir, Vikram, Ajit, Dhanush. I think everyone, and especially because when I work with, say when I work with Dhanush and when I work with Surya sir, and I think that phase was when I was much younger. Yeah,
Yes.
Vengai and Padikadwan. So I was still very, very young. And I feel like that time, the encouragement was very, very vital for me because that's what made me, want to kind of pursue this even more and do better work. So at that point, whoever I worked with, they were very supportive of my work. So I really thank them for, even though I was a new talent, they never treated me like that. And they made me feel like,
No, even in even in comical scenes, you have done so well. Even I remember the Vyabari thing where you expressed that you are cheating Vadivelu, and even when we compare with Paya, in that car you would sit back and the camera would be facing you from car's mirror. So many scenes, bits and pieces, you would have done so well even in those early ages. So it's a complete transformation from that stage to now where we see Tamana as a complete performer, be it Sairasima Reddy, not just as a dancer. You are the one who are going to change the climax of the movie because you are the one who would be sacrificing your life in that movie. So these 16 years, any sorries and any thank yous to anyone in the film industry that I should have been better with you, or thank you for being me so supportive? Any friends?
I don't know. I'm not someone who, I'm very impulsive. Yeah, I'm very instinctive. So whenever I have a sorry to say, I say it that time. I would have never waited for 16 years to say it. I'm someone who is very, very, like, if I feel happy, if I like something, I'm very expressive. And I'm not someone who contains my emotions at all. So if I like something also, I will go out of my way to express it. If I am apologetic also, I go out of my way to express it. So I think fortunately I've been, my mind is clean because I don't have any baggage from my past. No good baggage, no bad baggage, fortunately.
Tamanna, upcoming movies and any web series, any news upcoming?
Yes, I have 3 features that should come out in Telugu. One is C.T. Mar, which is with Gopi Chand Garu. I have Gurtunda Sita Kalam with Satyadev, and I have F3 with the entire F2 gang. So those 3 features are all lined up one after another in Telugu. And I have 2 more, projects which I've taken up, but I'm not able to talk about it because they haven't been formally announced. Those 2 announcements are exciting for me, and I'm really looking forward to announce them because they are, something that I'm really looking forward to. This is what I have on my plate right now. But I really want to thank the audiences because November Story is and has been in the over the weekend was on the number 1 position on Hotstar, on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP. So I'm really thankful to the audiences for this response that they've given us, and it's really encouraging and makes me want to do more interesting work for the audiences.
Because in Tamil we have earlier had many web series, but this was almost equivalent or almost to so far the best when it comes to Tamil industry. And even performance wise, be it you or Pasupati, GM Kumar, Arul Das, everyone have provided their
all
best.
of them. Yeah, all of them have been so fabulous in the show. Be it, like you said, all the actors that you named, they've been a huge contribution to make it what it is today. And be it Pasupati sir, GM Kumar, Arun Das sir, they've all killed it.
Because he's so seasoned and so well performing artist, and you are the one who are going to confront him in the climax. How was it easy, or did it take a lot of takes?
No, he is like he's such a gentle person. Like he's playing such a villainic character, and he's such a gentle person. Like there was this one shot where I had to like
Yes.
hit him with something, and I actually hit him.
Oh,
I
then
mean, that wasn't the plan, but it kind of happened where he got hit here. So he actually had a full-on wound on his head. And he's like, what happened? What happened? I'm like, sir, you're bleeding. And he's like, no, nothing. It's okay. We'll shoot. And I actually lost my head. I was like, oh my God, what have I done? But he was super chilled out. And I mean, that for me is such professionalism. And also professionalism is the second thing. But as a human, like someone has literally hit you on the head and he didn't take any offense for that. He was like, listen, I know it's a mistake. And he was just so supportive at that point. And I couldn't look at him. I was feeling so miserable that entire evening that happened. So yeah, he's a super gentleman. I think I don't know why they give him these evil characters. He's rather a very sweet person.
The final question would be mostly with Corona. What's your advice for people? Because each day, though the number of infected cases are decreasing in India, we see the death rate is still 4,000 plus.
The one thing that I'd like to just tell everyone is the first wave was not even half as scary as this wave. For the simple reason that the numbers are not what is important right now, but we need to understand that the virus is a lot more virulent. The strain that is around right now, and hence the fatality, like the kind of numbers we are looking in terms of fatality has really gone up. It's because of the kind of virus and the kind of virulence that has. So I really feel like people need to take it extremely seriously. I mean, prevention, as much as prevention as possible. So double masking is something that I just request. எல்லா ஆடியன்ஸஸ்க்கு இதை ஒரு ரிக்வெஸ்டா சொல்றேன். நீங்க வெளியில போகும்போது கண்டிப்பா டபுள் மாஸ்க் போடணும். ஏன்னா இந்த கேப்ஸ் இருக்கும் இல்ல, அங்கிருந்து கூட போக முடியும். ஸோ அது கேப் விட்டுறக்கூடாது. So that's one thing that I'd like to tell them, to please double mask. அதுக்கு மேல don't be scared. Like if you are getting corona, a lot of, just as many people have had, have suffered through it, a lot of people have also fought through it. So it's not the end all, but problem is I have seen a lot of people just being like, I don't want to go to the doctor, or I don't want to go to the hospital. I'm like, no, you need to go to the hospital, because this particular disease, the earlier it is treated, the better you are. So being scared of going to the hospital is not the solution. So a lot of people have this fear of the disease. That's not going to help if you land up getting corona. So main thing is stay away from it if you can. If you can work from home, or if you have the, if you are staying at home, please stay at home unless something very important is there to go outside. And when the time comes, whoever can get, whenever your time is to get vaccinated, please take the vaccine. Not people sometimes spread such strange myths about the vaccine, and I'm like, and it's very difficult, like, to explain. And I've spoken to a lot of my own staff who is, who's working for me, and they had so many questions about the vaccine, and they were not sure if they want to take the vaccine. And I had to sit them down each and tell them, please take the vaccine, because that is for your safety. So don't be scared of the vaccine is what I'd say. And yeah, and moving forth, even everyone is still discovering what this virus does. So it's something was working yesterday, it's not working today. This is just very random. So we have to be ready for what's coming our way. So just be open-minded and not fear everything, because fearing is really not the way out.
Thanks, Tamanna. ரொம்ப நன்றி.
Thank you.